Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a Google Meet link. So once you have opened your browser and then search for Google Meet, and then you will find this link and click on the first link, which is called Google Meet, meet.google.com. Just click on that. Now here you can see two options. One is new meeting and another one is enter a code or link. Now click on new meeting. Now here you will see this one is create a meeting for letter. This is for letter, and this is for instant meeting, and this is for schedule. So if you want to create a meeting for letter, then click on this created and just copy the link, and then when you want to start meeting, then just copy the link and then just paste the link and go to the link, then it will be automatically created a meeting. Okay, now here you can see the second option. This is start an instant meeting. If you click on this, then it will be started instantly. This is instant meeting. Let's go back. And the third one is schedule. If you want to make a schedule meeting, then you can do it by click on this. You can add a title here, and you can choose the date, and you can set all, and you can set all of the meeting setting from here. After that, click save, then your schedule meeting will be saved. So this is how you can create a Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.